Hey guys, it's me Sarah back with another video. Here's my Uncle Tony. He's not going to be in this video today. Wait, yes he is. Okay. So, what you need for this video is a thing of slime and just something random to put in the slime so that you can find it. So, what my uncle is going to do is he's going to take these things and he's going to put them in our slime.
Whoops.
He's going to put them in our slime. And we're going to have to try and find it in the slime. And we can't see. We're not going to...
Whoops.
Tony. And we're not going to be able to watch him put our things in the slime. Can you go grab me the bottom to my tablet? So, never mind. So, Tony's going to put it in there really fast and put it somewhere. Okay, so we can't watch him. So, turn around and do it so we can't see you. Okay, so he's going to put it in there. So ready.
He's like, I don't want you to touch it.
Probably what he's thinking.
How am I supposed to stick it in there?
Just like drop it in there and push it down and mix it in there.
Yeah, with my finger?
Yeah. We have a wipe that you can wipe your finger off with. Just like mixing stuff around. In there, he hates touching it. Okay.
I just hate it.
And I can't start until
It makes
Ashlyn has
messes.
hers done.
It's so messy. Ashlyn's is better than yours, Sarah.
Yeah, I know, because she added more contact solution or something.
Hers is way better than yours.
I know it is.
Yours is so not sticky. Yours is too sticky.
I know it is. I need more contact solution.
Hers
Okay.
is perfect.
Okay.
Hers doesn't
wipe your
make
finger off.
messes.
Okay, so in 3, 2, 1, go.
I got it.
Found it. You have to unwrap it too. There, mine's out.
Got it.
I have mine out
Hers is
first.
a lot cleaner.
Oh well. Who do you give the point to, Tony?
Top.
Okay.
Good job.
Okay, now we're gonna put each other's in the slime.
Slime over here.
Good thing we're using the towel that Mom doesn't care about. Okay, so here's mine. Put it in there.
Oh. Duh.
Okay, we're gonna hide it.
Yeah. Oh, dang it almighty.
Wait, no, take it. No, don't take it out.
It's
the
too
container.
bad. I already did yours.
Really? Yeah, I already have yours too.
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
Wipe your hands off. Wipe your hands off. Like yours is perfect. Set that on your side. And I'll have this on my side.
Don't touch my jacket. No.
I don't even have anything on. Oh, yeah, I do. Between my fingers. Okay.
Hold on, not yet.
Quit knocking it down.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Hang on, I'm just like 3, 2, 1, go.
Got it.
Got it.
There you go.
Pick. Your fingers are clean. Pick it up.
Oh, dang it. Hold on.
Mine's still in there. I left mine in there. Oh well. You won that one. Okay. So that was it for this video, but actually no, it's not because I have to do a dare. So, like in challenges, whoever loses has to do a dare. So, Ashlyn, hand me the towel. No, pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Quit wearing your jacket now. Just take your jacket off or something. Okay.
No, because I have a white blouse on.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't change my shirt.
Okay. So, what is my dare? And as I was saying, whoever loses the challenge, they have to do a dare. So, what is my dare? She does not think very well. She can't come up with a dare. Come up with a dare. If you say stick my face in that slime, I'm not doing it.
I thought about that and I was like, no. Put your feet in the slime.
No! No dealing with my slime. Like, I'm serious, Ashley. Don't do anything involving my slime. I bet we could use your slime to get like stuff off of my slime. My slime off of things. Okay. Okay, Ashley. What's my dear?
I don't know.
Just come up with something. I'll be right back. She's gonna come up with my dare and tell you while I'm gone.
Okay, I got it.
What is it?
You gotta do 5 pull-ups one-handed without stopping.
No. You know I can't do that. No. It has to be something that I can do.
I don't know.
Sorry guys, she couldn't come up with there. So this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.